Welcome back to another episode of Shredding with Gheeyeh. In today's episode, I'm putting to the test LizardSpit Tolex Cleaner and Vinyl. Is really worth the hype? Let's find out. Show reel! LizardSpit Tolex Cleaner is a product that's been gaining a lot of attention in the music community. And a good reason for that is musicians, all we know is how important it is to keep our gear in top condition. That includes maintaining those iconic Tolex covered amplifiers and cabinets so they prevail their, the original look. Look at this, If you're going to do an investment like this, you want to have your gear looking perfect. When it comes to cleaning our gear, many musicians can relate to the struggle of dealing with stubborn dirt, grime, and stain on the Tolex surface. These areas are notoriously difficult to clean because they are rough. They have a lot of texture in the finish, and using the wrong cleaning products can actually damage the material. I have my fair share of battles with dirty Tolex, and I'm sure many of you have from using different products. They have like greasy surfaces, then it's a mess. You will see that the Tolex get more dirty with time. So we're gonna test this and see if it actually works. Here I have the fret polishing, so you can clean your frets and leave it brand new. And I have fretboard conditioner. Let me know on the comments down below if you want me to review them on a future episode. Here I have a hard key cabinet, bass cabinet that you can see here in the video that is really old and very dirty. So we're gonna try to test to see if it actually works. This has years and years of dirt. So you can see here in the surface that it's already clean. Wow. And it's not greasy at all. Wow. This is really good. So here we have the before and after. Actually, these cabinets have never been cleaned before, since it was brand new. So this is a real test. Ta-da! Definitely, you need to try this. This is really good. Yes! See you in another episode of Shredding with Gheeyeh, Shredding with me, where you can learn about gear, where you can learn how to play guitar technique, and a lot of other good stuff coming on your way. See you in another episode of Shredding with Gheeyeh, Shredding with me. Show reel!